Apple has rolled out the iOS 18.2 developer beta, delivering an exciting range of new AI-powered features and deeper integration with ChatGPT. This update is packed with tools such as Apple Intelligence, which enhances personalization options for the home screen and control center, along with the largest redesign to photos. Among the standout features in iOS 18.2 are Image Playground and genmoji, allowing users to create custom images and emojis through text prompts. Users can also transform sketches into rendered images using the Image Wand tool with the Apple Pencil. Another key enhancement is the ChatGPT integration in Siri and Apple's writing tools, empowering users to generate AI-powered content. Now, when Siri encounters complex tasks like building a detailed itinerary, it can seamlessly hand them over to ChatGPT, providing users with enhanced results. The update expands Apple Intelligence beyond the US to regions like the UK, Canada, and Australia, while introducing visual intelligence for iPhone 16 users, a feature that instantly provides insights about surroundings through the camera. Developers can access the iOS 18.2 beta now, with the public release expected later this year. Apple also teased upcoming features in 2025, including personal context awareness for Siri and AI-powered notifications.